Hello, I'm Erica Collado, and I will demonstrate how to calculate measures of central tendency and measures of variability using Excel. I have already uploaded my information to a new spreadsheet, and I'm going to start by calculating mean, median, and mode, but I want to keep my sheet very organized, so I'm going to write the title, Measures of Central Tendency. And the first one is mean. Now, for Excel, I have to use the word average. So what I'm going to do is I click on a separate cell and I enter the formula, which is equal. Then I start typing average. It comes up, so I select it, and then I highlight my values. Press enter, and that's the average. The second measure that I'm going to look for is median, and I follow the same procedure. Equal sign, median, highlight the values, and press enter. And the number is 54. The third measure is mode. And I follow the same procedure, equal sign, mode, highlight my values, let's try that again, equal sign, mode, press enter. Now, if you notice, for mode it says non-applicable. That is because there are no values repeated, therefore there's no mode. Now let's look for measures of variability. The first measure that I'm going to look for is range. In order to figure out the range, I need to look at the maximum and the minimum values. So what I'll do is I'll highlight my data set and click on max, and if you notice, it gave me the answer at the end. Again, I want to keep my information organized, so I'm going to cut and paste. And that is my maximum number. Now I'm going to look for the minimum number, and I follow the same procedure. I highlight my data set and click on min. The number is 48.7. I'm going to cut and paste. In order to calculate the range, I'm going to click on a separate cell and enter the formula, which is equal sign and column G 10 minus G 11. Click enter, and 12.3 is my range. I'm going to cut and paste, and that's my range. The second measure of variability is the standard deviation. I'm going to click on a separate cell and follow the same format that we used before, equal sign, and the abbreviation for standard deviation is STDEV. Open the bracket, highlight the data set, close, enter, and that's my standard deviation. And finally, I want to look for variance. I'm going to click on a separate data cell and start typing the formula, equal sign, VAR for variance, open my bracket, highlight the values, press enter. And that's how you calculate measures of central tendency and measures of variability using Excel.